Hey guys, the last strategy we're going to practice this week is subtracting on a number line. I have the equation 54 minus 28 equals what? So I'm going to draw my number line. There's a couple of different ways that you can use a number line to subtract, but the way I'm going to practice today is starting at 54 on this end, and I'm going to move back 28. So I need to decompose or break apart 28 into my 10s and my 1s so I know how many jumps of 10 I should make and how many jumps of 1 I need to make. 28 is really 20 and 8. And I know 20 is made up of two 10s, so I'm jumping two 10s back, minus 10, minus 10. That covers this. Now I need to make 8 jumps of 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's important that you label all of your jumps. That way, if you start getting confused and lose counts, if these are already labeled, you know where you need to be going. So it's important that you label these jumps. Now all I need to do is fill in the numbers at the bottom of the number line, see where I land, and that's my answer. So 54 minus 10, I only change the tens digit, so that makes it 44. Now I'm going back again. 44 minus 10 is 34. Now I'm switching gears. I'm going back jumps of 1, so I'm just going to count backwards until I land here. So 34 minus 1, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26. I land on the number 26, which means 54 minus 28 equals 26.